It's gonna be a beautiful day. Now, as you guys might notice, it's gonna be a little bit of a different video. Going over to Kyle's to actually see how clean the Jeep washes up. Finally, I know, right? Got my helmet because my pit bike is over there, and we might make a little track behind Kyle's house. But first, I gotta get the tripod out of the car because we will be pressure washing the Jeep and like seeing how well the paint cleans up. So we gotta grab this. We're gonna take the truck over just cause I gotta bring the pit bike back. Oh man, I miss this thing so much. I actually need to clean this thing out really well because it is filthy in here. Got her warming up from the inside of the garage. Just gonna take this puppy off. Good to go. Let's see if she starts first try. Highly doubt though. She's a little on the cold nature side. Oh yeah, she's cold, baby. Enough chit chat though. Let's head over to Kyle's. What are you looking at, Finn? Kyle, I haven't seen you so long, dude. It's been like
maybe 12 hours.
12, maybe 10. Oh, thank you. We need water.
We need water in a few days.
Yeah, me neither. How are you? I locked my car, put my e-brake on, and was ready to go this morning, so hope you're ready for this. How are you today?
We're good. We just watched the X3.
Dude, it looks...
Took your pit bike on a little rip.
Nice. I saw that.
Might owe you some gas.
Your cousin seemed to be enjoying it.
Well, I took the younger one. He's like 4, and we were riding around. And I took the 7-year-old around, and then just let her drive it. And I was almost gonna get off and let her ride it, but I was like, if she wrecks it, I'm not trying to fix my other pit bike.
Yeah, that's true. Ooh, this thing looks a lot better. Looks like it needs an AR. No.
The amount of stuff when I washed out the radiator.
Was it bad? Jeez, pit bike. This thing, I need to wash this thing. I'm gonna wash this thing while I'm here too. She's a ripper. I want to see some we need to make some trails today. Yeah, that would be a lot of fun. Alright, I gotta go see if the Jeep, dude, the Jeep needs to be rescued. It's a barn find right now, 100%. Like it's been sitting for a month. I gotta go find the keys still. Oh gosh, this thing looks so good. Finn, you're taking a shit right there. Title.
Oh, he's so cute.
Look at him.
So cute.
Everybody look at Finn. Oh, hi buddy. Why are you so soft? So, as you guys know, I actually left my Jeep over here ever since we went off-roading with Fabian, that one video. And then that was before SEMA. So, it's been about a month and it's just been sitting here ever since. As you guys do know, it has like epic rod knock or like lifter tick, that kind of thing. So I've actually sourced an engine and we're actually gonna be doing an engine swap here soon, probably within the next 2 weeks. The guy is taking it straight out of the parts Jeep he has and putting it straight into my Jeep. So it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna learn how to do a lot of stuff. Hopefully I'll be able to get to do it, but this thing is like dirty, man. I have not even begin to touch this thing. I mean, I got trash in the back. We got stuff leaning on it. We got a dog freaking sticker. This thing is still muddy from that ride. I definitely need to power wash it. And as you guys can tell here, like, it's got just some dirt just built up on it. And like right there and like right here and, you know, on the sides and that kind of thing. Obviously it has mud on it. And like that should be all pressure washing. I'll just get it clean, but I'm gonna go like straight down the middle so you can see before and after. And so yeah, what do you think, Kyle?
You know, it's been sitting here a while when we start leaning shit against it.
Yeah, that's what I said. We got wood laying against it now. The whole deal. Found he actually has the key. I'm actually surprised. But we got some oil in there because you know we need oil. All right, you ready? Oh, we're good. Oh, she moves. She moves from a resting place. Getting in, Kyle? I need an aftermarket steering wheel. That'd be kind of cool. Oh man, I miss this thing so much. I need to buy a steering wheel. Leave in the comments, should I just keep the old steel like wire wheel or should I get like an ice wooden wheel NRG or something like that? That'd be kind of sick. All right, we're gonna pull this right over here. Kyle said I could just put it wherever the X3 is, so all right, we'll put it right here for now. I gotta get all these sticks and leaves and stuff all over it real quick. I've honestly missed this thing. I love having a little Jeep like this. Kyle actually just got a brand new to him Toyota over there. Little taco over there. Look at this thing. Oh, this thing is shiny. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna do the back half first just to initially get like this crap off and that off, get up under the wheel well, get the tire clean, and then I'm gonna leave this half dirty just so I can show you guys the difference of what this power washer alone is gonna be able to do. Now while Kyle gets his all soapy, his X3 over there, look at just the difference between these two right here. Like, it is crazy. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to scrub a little bit for that stuff, but like that is literally after just the pressure washers. To get you guys can tell right there. I literally stopped down there with the mud and everything, so. Now before I do the foam cannon, I just got that finished right there. The sun's coming out a little bit actually, but like you can see the difference, like all right there. It's totally different from this to this. It's totally different. Overall right now, this is looking really good. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest of the Jeep. All right, sweet, so let's do this. Guys, it's actually coming out pretty impressive. Stop the timeline. Honestly, once I hand wash this thing, it's gonna be actually looking really good. Got under the wheel wells all good, pretty good. We're running this on the lift, so there wouldn't be a lot of mud under there, but it's coming together. We're about to soap it now. See how it comes out after scrubbing a little bit, because there is some spots where it does need a little bit of washing. Well, here it is. Thing is looking pretty freaking clean now. It's not perfect. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but it is like, but this thing is looking so much better, and it sucks because I am going this weekend to off-road it with my cousin Alan and his Bronco, and so we're gonna see how that goes. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that yet. Leave in the comments if you want me to vlog that, because I need to know. I don't know whether to bring, I'm definitely gonna bring the Jeep. I just don't know whether to bring the camera or not, so let me know in the comments if I should vlog that stuff. But yeah, video's not done yet though. I think me and Kyle are gonna put his lift in his shop somehow. I don't know how him and me are gonna do that, but we're gonna do that, and then we might make a pit bike track or go hit some jumps down in the woods and stuff at his house. Your truck sounds very good, Kyle. Alright, before we hop on the pit bike, I did want to talk about a few things I've got planned for the Jeep. I've got some wheels and tires on the way for it, and I actually just talked to Skyjacker at SEMA, and they said they're down to send me out a lift for this thing, so I am going to get probably a 3-inch long travel monotube suspension on that thing. It's going to ride really good. I'm not going to run anything bad, so honestly, going to do that. Going to throw some tint on it. Kyle's going to help me with the lift. We just put his lift in, as you guys can see there. We got some other goodies on the way for it as well. We need to put CBs in our Jeeps, because that'll be good for the trails. Instead of walkie-talkies, just so it's always live instead of like, and I'm hopefully going to fix this freaking headlight. This headlight is the only thing that really is like, I don't know why it's broken. It honestly came out pretty clean. Like, obviously there's some spots, but like, it cleaned up pretty freaking well. And it sucks because I'm gonna go off-roading this Friday and it's gonna be filthy again. Right now, we're gonna talk you into buying a pit bike. Like this.
I'm already sold on buying one. I just
gotta buy
have other things I need to buy first. Alright, so the other day I had a mini excavator for a few minutes. Let's just make a jump over the limo.
I'll jump over a limo. Oh, I'll bring the freestyle ramp.
Freestyle ramp over the limo? So we're talking about getting some dirt, because I have all this room to make some jumps. But the other day I had a mini X and I was tearing out some stumps. And I was putting the stumps back here for just a little shooting range. And then I got bored, so I threw a little bit of dirt right here for a little tiny jump. It's literally super small. What?
Is that the job?
Yeah, it took me about 5 minutes, not even. I made it in about 2 minutes with the mini X the other day. But now I've got all this woods to make some jumps. I gotta do that. I just need a skid steer, honestly. Because we could have, I have all this woods all the way down there, and all of that. So there's plenty of room to make jumps. Dude, I have all this woods to make jumps. We just need a machine.
We need a landing though.
Need a machine and need more dirt.
Oh, this land is sick back here. We can honestly make a cool track like right here in the woods. Honestly, we take down some trees. I mean, Kyle's got his little freaking chainsaw. He's not, oh my God, he's gonna sit this thing. Yeah. Dude, so what if we, like, this is pretty open woods.
Yeah,
We could chop down a few trees and like just build a track in this little area. This area is perfect.
That's what I'm saying. I seen you do better. Oh, there you go.
So we need dirt out here. We need, what do you think, one or two truckloads of dirt?
I think a skid steer. Honestly, I don't think I need dirt. I think I need a skid steer and I can scoop dirt up back there.
I want to bring the freestyle ramp over.
Oh, yeah.
Then just to have like a large landing.
One scoop of dirt would be fine.
I think we got to jump the limo. I would honestly jump the limo. If we could make it safe enough, I honestly would definitely jump the limo. If we get 1,000.
Sideways or like long ways?
Definitely sideways. I'm not doing it long ways. I'm gonna do it. I need that thumbnail title. Come on now.
All right. We'll park it on an angle.
Yeah, I'll jump across it.
I think it's like 22 foot.
Your limo's only 22 foot?
Yeah, as long as my truck. All right, Miller. See, why can't you do that on the across the field? Can you carry it through the corner? What? I said, can you go through the corner? Ah. Take it around the bend.
I jumped down into the ditch, and I lifted my left foot off so I was unweighted, and I landed with my handlebars in the ground.
Wait, what?
Yeah, and I hit my ankle on the exhaust, dude, because I tried to because I jumped up and it fell out from under me. and I and the bike landed with the exhaust on my ankle, so.
I was wondering what was taking so long to catch up to me.
I died. The kid over there, I could see him going, yeah. I was like, oh shoot. Oh dude, that was fun.
I think I just tore up the grass a little bit.
The leaves will cover in like 2 days.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll just go get a leaf blower, dude. No one will ever see it happen.
Perfect.
Honestly, that's what will happen.
Right.
But guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks to Kyle for holding the camera for me right now, being my human tripod. I hope you guys like this video. It's a little more chill video. I might not be posting on Thanksgiving Day. It might be like one of those instances where you just go enjoy your family time. So if you guys like this one, leave a comment. Go sub to Kyle on YouTube. He just hit 104. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Alright, we got shit to wash and we got lifts to finish putting in so I can change my axle on this thing. Peace out.